guys! Welcome to my vlog. Alam mo guys, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, sarap mag-swimming. Pero um, wala naman akong kasama mag-swimming. Dito na lang ako. Beauty rest. Yes. Kasi mamaya doon ako sa aking store. Yun lang guys. Thank you nga pala sa inyo ha. Thank you sa pagbabas sa akin. Thank you sa pagtawag sa akin na oink oink. Thank you sa pagtawag sa akin ng stupid. Honestly, if the persons keep smiling and keep silent, it means that they are not stupid. They are controlling their mouth not to say something or fight you back. You know why? Because, they know more than what you think. Yes. People stupid is talking too much. Even that it's nonsense. Yes. Even that they can hurt someone, they talking too much. It's not about clever. It's about how you attack person because you cannot put her down to your own level. We're not the same, people in earth they have a different blood types, and they came from different families. So respect if I keep silence, not because I didn't know anything how to answer you back. I need to be nice enough to the person that if the dog's barking because there's strangers that they didn't know, and you attacking me in different way because you know that you know in yourself that you didn't know me. You know me based on your report. In your own reports, I'm bad and you're good. By the way, guys, people find out who you are. The way you act, the way you treat someone, that's you. Being you, be real. Yeah. And accept if someone thinking that you're bad enough to compared to the person that you're attacking. Yun lang guys. By the way guys, before you make marites in my life, much better that ask me. Ask me because I'm YouTuber now. Much better to ask before you react. Much better to ask a nice way instead of insulting someone that you didn't know. Did you get it? That's it. Bye. It's me, Rods for short, ordinary vlogger from Santa Cruz, Cruhay, Antique.